Ubudlelwano obukhona phakathi kwey'nkinga zedlozi nama-chakras ablockekile. Uma usuney'nkinga ezinkulu empilweni yakho, sekuhlangahlangene izinto ey'ningi. Uma uyongena emsamo kuyohlolwa kutholakala ukuthi idlozi lakho likuflathele. Kodwa uma uyo-check ama-chakras akho kutholakala ukuthi wonke ama-chakras akho awa-alayinile, awekho activated, ablockekile to some extent. And then-ke it becomes a matter of a personal choice ukuthi udila kanjani nale nkinga obhekene nayo. Ngoba uma idlozi likuflathele, ayikho into yakho elungayo. Kusukela emalini kuya injabulo yezothando, ubudlelwane nje nabantu nasemsebenzini. Kokunye ugcina usunamaphupho amabi, usuney'bonakaliso ezimbi. And those are the same things, or more or less, yezinto ezenzekayo uma ama-chakras akho eblockekile. It then becomes a matter of a personal choice ukuthi udila kanjani nale nkinga yakho. As umuntu owaziyo ukuthi uney'nkinga ezisukela emsamo, it's always important to acknowledge that aspect of your life. Uwenze umsamo wakho ulihlambulule idlozi lakho, ulibeke emsamo, ulithokozise. But most importantly, ungabe usuhlala lapho esimweni sokuthi wena usungenisa idlozi emsamo, manje ngeke usaphila ngaphandle emhlabeni. Okubalulekile ukuthi abantu abadala uma ubalungisela ubahlambulula, kumele bagezeke bese beqhubeka nendlela yabo baphindele kumdali, ngoba phela abantu abadala uma bengasekho bayashona bahambe bangene endleleni, the journey back to the light. And if there are things on their way back to the light that are blocking them on their way, they come back here and disturb us in our lives to say that please help me kanje kanje na kanje. So once you have unblocked those blockages, waba-cleanser, wenza ama-rituals afanele, labo bantu abadala ngithi manje sekumele baphindele emuva baye kumdali, back to the source, because the journey after life is we must go back to the source. Ungawenza umsamo, yes, wenzela ukuthi abantu bakho abadala babone ukuthi uyaba-acknowledge, awubaphikile, uyabamukela nenkinga zabo futhi uyazi-address. But at the same time, it's important to release them and say, bantu abadala senginenzelile, ngicela nihambe endleleni yenu ephindela kumdali, nithokoze njengoba benivele nihamba. And at the time abantu abadala behamba beya kumdali mase beshonile, azibi khona iy'nkinga. Iy'nkinga ziqala ngesikhathi bebuya, kuba ne-blockage bezocela ukugezwa bahlanjululwe. So-ke abantu abadala uma usubagezile bakhululeka, wabenzela zonke izinto zabo abayifunayo, bayahamba baphindele kumdali wena, bese uyakwazi ukubuyela empilweni yakho, le mpilo obuyiphila before bafike bona bakuphazamise. So ukubageza ngaleyo ndlela nokubahlambulula ngale ndlela afanele kube into ephelayo. Akumelanga kube into ezoloku yenziwa njalo ingabe isaphela. At some point kumele bafike abantu abadala bathi sesiyabonga, ususigezile, ususihlambululile, sesiyathokoza, impilo yakho singaphindela ke manje benormal, ngeke sisayiphazamise. Because ngesikhathi bebuya beza kuwena bayafika kuwena uphazamiseke. Uyaphazamiseka yebo, uzukhumbula impilo kade uyiphila before abantu abadala bafike. Usho uthi ngiyakhumbula ngisenza into yenzeke, but banele bafika manje sekumnyama yonke into. So it only makes sense-ke ukuthi mase siqedile ukubageza abantu abadala sabahlambulula, kumele babonge bathi sesiqedile, siyabonga, usikhululile, manje sesiphindela emuva. That means ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi sebethokozile nawe usuzoqhubeka uphila impilo enormal. That also means on the other hand ukuthi ama-chakras akho aselaphekile. If you are going to deal with indaba yama-chakra and not concentrate so much ekuthenini ulapha abantu abadala, ulandelane wenze lesi step esigcina sekuyi-step eside singasapheli, it's also up to you. It's also a personal choice, because if you can unblock your chakras and activate them, iy'nkinga lezo kubhekene nazo zizophela. But-ke as a person owaziyo ukuthi unomsamo nedlozi okumele ukuthi uli-entertain, it's important ukuthi uqale ngokwenza umsamo. Uthola ukuthi iliphi lelo dlozi elikuphazamisayo empilweni yakho njengoba kukanje. Obviously uyabona ukuthi ama-chakras akho ablockekile uma kuvalekile yonke into. Acknowledge labo bantu abadala, ukhulume nabo, bahlambulule, ubageze, ubatshele ukuthi ngiyanilungisela into yenu, ngicela nigoduke niphindele kumdali. Wenzela ukuthi wena bese udila nalento ngendlela yama-chakras, because uma udila nayo ngendlela yama-chakra, leyo nto it strengthens you spiritually. Yenzela ukuthi ama-chakras akho angaphinde ablockeke bese u-end up unalezi inkinga esizophinde futhi siqale phansi sithi idlozi liyakhuluma, idlozi alisaqedi, idlozi selilokhu lifika ney'nkinga ey'ningi. So you can deal with it ngokuthi uhlambulule abantu abadala ubageze, but the thing is uzoloku uqhubekile kuloku kuqhamuke iy'nkinga if you don't deal with it holistically, to look ukuthi njengoba kube nalezi inkinga zedlozi, it means ukuthi-ke scientifically or spiritually kunama-chakras ami abeblockekile kumele ukuthi ngidile nawo. And then bese uyawenza-ke ama-chakras akho wa-unblockeke from the root chakra all the way up to the crown chakra. Lapho uba enlightened spiritually. Now uyafila ukuthi ngilight-ke manje. And the most important thing is once you finish activating and aligning your chakras, manifestation becomes easy to you. It's easy for you because ayisekho into ekucindezelayo ngisho nasemqondweni. Uzizwa ulighter, uzizwa une-energy, uzizwa u-positive about life, uzizwa unale energy yokuthi I can do things manje. There is no dark cloud hanging over my life. Ufila une-spirit sokuthi I can even take on the world. Because lento ye-manifestation is when we pray for the lack of a better word at this moment, but it is when we ask the universe for the things that we want, for the things that we want to see happen in our lives. Then we manifest. The thing is, you cannot manifest if unezinkinga. If unezinkinga, yonke into iba blocked. One way or the other, you need to unblock yourself so that manifestation can be easy. If unezinkinga, kube nezinto ezivalekayo, like I mentioned before, ukuthi imali yavaleka, izinto zothando, uxabana nabantu, nabomndeni nasemsebenzini, everywhere, uba depressed basically ngoba unezinkinga. And at that state, the only way to get it back is to manifest and get those things back. The only way to get those things in is to get the power back to you. And you cannot get the power back if usaney'nkinga, kusanezinto ey'shodayo. Now uyazizwa ngaphakathi ukuthi kusashoda lokhu naloku, obviously izinto zami angeke ilunge until I finish all of these things. And then sometimes it turns out ukuthi it becomes a chain of things or rituals that you need to do at the same time. Impilo iyaqhubeka. Awusazi ukuthi lezi zinto uzoqeda nini until you get to a point where you are able to get the things you lost, to get them back to you. It is a personal choice, but it becomes easier and quicker to do umsamo wakho and immediately release abantu abadala back to the source, back to the universe, back to whatever you call it. Whether it's to you, it is God, it is universe, it is the light, it is whomever you call it. Cleanse them, release them, and send them back. And tell them ukuthi if nibuya, buyani ngoba kukhona okuhle. It's your duty ukuthi nikwenze. Kodwa you do not belong here. Because even nalento le yamabhayi, I always say iregalia lesisebenzisayo. I always say ukuthi it is not for you per se. Seriously, it is not for you. But people like to use it. Umuntu ayigqoke ehlenyuka ahambe nayo ke. Nalapho it becomes a personal choice. I always say ukuthi if it works for you, then it's fine. But I believe ukuthi abantu abadala basenawo umzimba when mabedinga something, it's because bona babeyisebenzisa, or maybe khona into ezobenzela yona, abayidingela yona. But hayi ukuthi bayidingela ukuthi wena usuzoyembatha ngoba uzothi usuke ubuthwala izisindo zabo ezibasindayo ngale uzithwese zona wena. Bese ubona lokhu ugqilazekile ngaso sonke isikhathi kanti manje lezi zinto usuzemboze zona. Abantu abangenawo umzimba, abantu abangenayo inyama, izinto eziphysical kahle izinto zokudlulisa, you know, just to say ukuthi ngizwile, ngilalelile, I'm just showing you this ukuthi ngikuacceptile, ukuthi ngithe nifuna le ndwangu ekanje nakanje, nayi ngiyibekela emsamo, it's for you. Wenzelani ukuthi bona bayithathe bayisebenzise ngendlela abafuna ukuyisebenzisa ngayo, kodwa wena uqhubeke nempilo yakho yasemhlabeni, because bona banendlela yabo yangale, wena unempilo yala emhlabeni okumele wenze izinto ezibambekayo zala emhlabeni esiphila kuwona. Iyahambisana lento, but asiyibuki ke holistically ukuthi if uzobheka abantu abadala kuphela ulokwenzele bona bazoloku befikile, ngoba nomunye uzoqhamuka ngoba usenomona uzile ukuthi omunye usejabulile naye asondele, kuzogcina kuyijeni ende kakhulu. Abantu abaningi baze bahamba emhlabeni belungisa into yabantu abadala. kuze kube nento yokuthi hayi ayipheli. Kanjani? Yenziwa yini ingapheli? We need to have measures in place zokuthi abantu abadala mase behambile bakhululeke bayophila ezweni labo lakamoya, nasi sisale siphile ezweni lenyama. Wena uzothola ukuthi abantu abaningi, abantu abadala baphila benza izinto emhlabeni, benza izinto ezinkulu, kodwa abantu asebephila manje bayahluleka ukwenza izinto, sekuloku kunama frustrations. Abantu abadala baphila bagana, baba nemindeni, bafuya, babusa, abanye basebenza, kodwa namhlanje intsha yethu iyahluleka. And uthola ukuthi isikhathi esiningi sibhekene nabantu abadala ukuthi silungisela bona, but why ingasapheli into yabo? Maningi ama-options okulapha abantu abadala. It's not just ukuya emsamo nokushisa impepho. Abantu abadala bayi-energy. I-energy is something that is universal. So when if ulapha abantu abadala, you must think out of the box. You must try and find the connection between abantu abadala emsamo nama-chakras. Yes, abantu bezizwe babiza ngama-chakras because that is how they understand the energy bond. That is how they entertain the-energy. But uthola ukuthi if you use both these methods, but be careful with leya semsamo, be careful with entertaining it too much, because then it becomes a part of you. Ugcina wena usuphilela abantu abadala ungasayiphile yakhe impilo. Lento ezokwenza ukuthi wena musuhambile emhlabeni ngoba kunezinto ongazenzanga kwakuyezakho. Uzogcina usubuya-ke wena uzohlupha ingane, usufuna u1 no2 no3, usuhlupha ingane engasakwazi ukuqhubeka nempilo yazo zona, ngoba manje silibele uku-entertainana nawe-ke manje ukuthi nawe unezinto ezayishoda or unezinto ongazenzanga ezakuhlula emndenini ezazifuna wena ukuthi uzenze for impilo yakho. Kodwa manje ngoba waba nethemba lokuthi hayi ngizoloku ngibenzela, ngizoloku ngibageza, ngizobuye ngibahlambulule, kwesisikhathi kumele ubuye ubabuze ukuthi izophela nini lento. Because while you are busy with them, eyakho impilo yami, uke wa notice iyami eyakho impilo, kumele ukuthi ubabuze ukuthi mina ke ngizoqala nini ukuphila yami, ngoba ngize ngavimbeka nje ezintweni zami. It's because bengibhizi nezinto zenu. Ukuba nifikanga mina ngabe ngikude because benginama plan ami. Wonke umuntu kumele akwazi ukuphila impilo ephelele. Ongale kwele mimoya ongapha emhlabeni, yasemhlabeni impilo iphile, nabasemoyeni abaphila impilo yasemoyeni yokuthi bahlale kahle noNkulunkulu umdali, or bahlale kahle back to the source or to the light. Le akuyona into yenkolo. This is not about religion. This is about imimoya and taking another view at this whole thing yokwelapha, because we cannot be doing one and the same thing forever without seeing a change. There are a lot of things ekumele ukuthi sizibuke ngelinye ilihlo, senze futhi into ezoya phambili, into ozawubona umehluko. So when we're dealing with the chakras, we're not saying ukuthi abantu abakhohlwe ihlozi labo. Ngeke uzizwe ukhohlwe ihlozi lakho, ngoba vele uzalwe yibona labantu ama-ancestors wakho, abantu abasegazini lakho. Kodwa you need to make sure ukuthi ba-happy ngalena. Once waba-acknowledge, wabageza, wabahlambulula, wase uyabathumela ukuthi ngicela nihambe niye kumdali khona nizokwazi ukuthi niphile kamnandi and rejoice, eternally. Lapho uzokwazi ukuthi nawe kuphila impilo yakho yokuthi and entertain ke manje ke yourself as a spiritual being, because nawe njengoba ula emhlabeni umzimba ubolekile, i-chakra ihlala kulomzimba lo we-spirit. I-spirit sinama chakras lawa ahlezi la kwi-aura yakho. If when you sort out those things manje, you're going to live a full life ezokwenza ukuthi musuhambile ungabe usabuya uzohlupha, ngoba uzobe uphile waneliseka, wazizwa futhi nawe ukuthi ngiphila kwi-universe, i-universe iphila kumina, I am in charge of my life, I am in control. Ngiyakwazi futhi noku-reacta ngendlela efanele, because life will always happen. Asisho ukuthi when you unlock your chakras and activate them, everything is going to be smooth scaling. No, but you're going to be aware. You are going to be so aware yezinto ezenzekayo empilweni ukuthi zenzekela why zenzeka, and you're also going to be in control of your emotions ukuthi ngireacta kanjani ezintweni ezenzekayo kumina. But most importantly, you're going to be able to manifest izinto oyifunayo, because the thing is impilo iphilayo uyimanifeste wena. Impilo iphilayo wena oyibizile. When you get to a point where you grow spiritually ukuthi understand leyo point leyo, uzophila kamnandi. Uzophila kamnandi ngendlela eyisimangaliso. And it's hard for people to believe this, but impilo iphilayo leyo iphilayo njengamanje wena oyibizile. Kumele ukhule ngokwanele ka-spirituality kwamoya ukuthi uku-understande lokho ukuthi what I am foreseeing for my future is what I'm going to live tomorrow. When you begin to have a positive mindset about your life now, you're going to live better tomorrow. It starts with being positive about life, which doesn't come easy if your chakras are blocked. You hear people basically live in gratitude. It's very hard if your chakras are blocked. Unlock your chakras and align them so that you're going to feel elevated. You're going to feel gratitude. Yokuthi ubonge izinto onazo manje. And I know ukuthi abantu mabese inkingeni, it's so hard. I know myself. It's hard ukuthi ngizogratify these little things because mina I want bigger things. But unlock your chakras, you're going to see. Unlock and align your chakras and do your breath work and manifest uzoyibona impilo. Thokoza.